sole, punch holes, 2 single crochets in each. Join with slip stitch, 111 stitches. Row 1, 1 turning chain, single crochets under stitch and back bump, join. Row 2, 3.5mm hook, 1 turning chain, single crochets into each stitch, join. Rows 3 to 4, change color, 1 turning chain, single crochets into each stitch, join. Row 5, fold half, find middle 4 stitches, 1 turning chain in fourth, single crochets around, join. Toe, row 1, 1 turning chain, 4 single crochets, 2 slip stitches, turn. Toe, row 2, 1 single crochet into second slip stitch, single crochets to first, 2 slip stitches. Toe, row 3, turn, 1 single crochet into second slip stitch, single crochets to last, 2 slip stitches. Repeat 13 times. Extension, 13 rows. Insert hook into third single crochet. Heel prep. Skip final 2 slip stitches. Slip stitches around, 2 slip stitches into turning chains. Turn. Heel height. Single crochet into third stitch. Work single crochets to height. Slip stitch. Cut yarn. Cord. Twist 2 strands into cord. Attach to slippers. Tie bow. Foot length 23.5 centimeters.